everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss what are WhatsApp chatbots. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos. In today's time, customers believe that the experience a company provides is as important as its products and services. So that is where AI chatbots come into the picture. So you can pretty much say that bots are a critical part of customer service automation. Now, what exactly is a chatbot? That is a very relevant question. How does it aid in the acceleration of your business yield? So these are some common questions that arise when considering implementation of a chatbot in your business. What exactly is a chatbot? A chatbot is an artificial intelligence-based computer program that simulates human conversations. They are also referred to as digital assistants that comprehend human capabilities. Now, bots, they interpret user intent, process requests, and provide timely and relevant responses. Bots can communicate through voice and text and can be deployed across websites, applications, and messaging channels like Facebook Messenger, Twitter, WhatsApp. So what are WhatsApp chatbots? A WhatsApp chatbot is a computer-assisted conversation partner on the messaging app. It facilitates communication between a human and a computer. Now, normally you would be conversing with another person on WhatsApp. For example, one of your friends, your relatives, whosoever. But with the help of chatbots, you are conversing with a computer rather than a human. Now, I can hear you thinking, okay, but why use a chatbot? So here is the answer to that. Save time and money on customer service, boost your sales, get more leads, reply in seconds instead of days. 24/7 availability everywhere. Send real-time, tailored messages to customers. Messenger apps like WhatsApp, they have become extremely popular. People are willing to use chatbots. Chatbots can be used internally in your company. Stand out from the crowd, and not many businesses use chatbots yet. So guys, that is it for this video. Please do let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you. Do not forget to like, share, and please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon to get every notification from our channel at the earliest. Stay tuned. Bye.